Hi Year 1 Green and Orange Groups, Mrs Taylor here. It's Maths Lesson 3 and our learning objective today is to tell the time to the half hour. Let's start our lesson today by counting along the number line together. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at this arrow. How would you describe where the arrow is pointing? The arrow is halfway between 1 and 2, so you could say it is halfway past the 1. Now, how would you describe where the arrow is this time? The arrow is halfway past the 3. Now describe where the arrow is. The arrow is halfway past the 11. Now think back to the questions you had last time. Another clock has lost its minute hand. So what time do you think this clock is showing? Well, the hour hand is pointing straight at the 11. And because it's pointing straight at the 11, it must be 11 o'clock. What times are these clocks showing? One o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. Where should the minute hand be on each of these clocks? The minute hand will point at the 12 for any o'clock time. What time do you think this clock is showing? Think back to your number line activity at the beginning of this lesson. The hour hand is halfway between the 1 and the 2. Still need some clues? Well, just like our number line from earlier, we can see that the hour hand is pointing halfway past the 1. So, to read this time, we say 1:30. So, how would you say this time? Notice the hour hand is halfway past the 2. The hour hand is showing 2:30. How would you say this time? The hour hand is halfway past the 3. So the hour hand is showing 3:30. How would you say this time? Notice the hour hand is halfway past the 4. The hour hand is showing 4:30. How would you say this time? The hour hand is halfway past the 6. The hour hand is showing 6:30. So how would you say this time? Think about which hour the hour hand has gone halfway past. The hour hand is showing 7:30. So, at a 7:30 time, the minute hand will have travelled halfway around the clock. Can you see how it has travelled half a turn around the clock? So what number is it pointing at? All 7:30 times will have the minute hand pointing at the 6. This shows that half of an hour has passed. Finally, can you match the clocks to their times? I'll give you a bit longer for this one. How did you get on? Now it's your turn to have a go at telling the time to the half hour with your paperwork activities. See you soon.